By listening to this episode, TRKA Stock Review, you will be fully familiar with this company and have a comprehensive review of its business model, financial performance, and future prospects. Welcome to Got In Early, a podcast about investing in financial markets such as cryptocurrency, the forex, and the stock market. TRKA is a global marketing services company that leverages data and technology to deliver integrated branding, marketing, media, and analytics solutions. The company offers a wide range of services, including brand building and activation, innovation and technology, experiential marketing, and communications. TRKA's clients include some of the world's leading brands, such as Coca-Cola, Nike, and Unilever. TRKA's competitors include WPP, Omnicom Group, Publicis Group, Interpublic Group of Companies, Dentsu. This stock's financial performance has been mixed in recent years. The company reported a net loss of $10.4 million in 2022, compared to a net loss of $9.2 million in 2021. However, TRKA's revenue grew by 5% in 2022 to $325 million. TRKA is a small-cap stock with a market capitalization of $83 million. The company's stock price has been volatile in recent months, trading between 10 cents and $1.27 per share. In this article, we will discuss TRKA, a software development company that specializes in creating computer programs for various industries. We will delve into TRKA's business model, financial performance, management team, and future prospects, as well as examine whether TRKA is a good investment option. Let's explore what makes TRKA stand out in the competitive software development industry and what the future holds for this innovative company. TRKA's business model review. TRKA makes money by providing marketing services to businesses. The company's key revenue streams include advertising. TRKA helps businesses create and place advertising campaigns. Public relations. TRKA helps businesses build and maintain positive relationships with the media and the public. Marketing research. TRKA helps businesses understand their customers and their target markets. Marketing communications. TRKA helps businesses create and distribute marketing materials, such as brochures, websites, and social media posts. Marketing analytics. TRKA helps businesses track the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns. TRKA's key costs include salaries and benefits. TRKA has a large workforce of employees who are responsible for providing marketing services to businesses. Marketing materials. TRKA spends a significant amount of money on marketing materials, such as brochures, websites, and social media posts. Technology. TRKA uses a variety of technology to provide marketing services to businesses. This technology includes software, hardware, and data storage. Marketing research. TRKA spends a significant amount of money on marketing research. This research helps the company understand its customers and their target markets. What are TRKA's competitive advantages? TRKA has a number of competitive advantages, including a strong brand. TRKA is a well-known and respected brand in the marketing industry. A large and experienced workforce. TRKA has a large and experienced workforce of employees who are responsible for providing marketing services to businesses. A strong technology platform. TRKA uses a variety of technologies to provide marketing services to businesses. This technology helps the company to be more efficient and effective. A global reach. TRKA has a global reach, with offices in over 50 countries. This allows the company to serve businesses all over the world. TRKA helps businesses sell more stuff. The company does this by creating and placing advertising campaigns, helping businesses build and maintain positive relationships with the media and the public, understanding their customers and their target markets, creating and distributing marketing materials, and tracking the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns. TRKA makes money by charging businesses for these services. The company's key costs include salaries and benefits, marketing materials, technology, and marketing research. TRKA has a number of competitive advantages, including a strong brand, a large and experienced workforce, a strong technology platform, and a global reach. TRKA's financial performance. TRKA's financial performance is all about how much money they are making and how well they are doing compared to other companies. Revenue growth. TRKA's revenue growth is the amount of money they make each year. Just like you might get an allowance or money for doing chores, they get money from selling their services. If they make more money each year, that's a good thing because it means more people are buying their programs. TRKA's revenue has been growing steadily in recent years. In 2022, the company's revenue grew by 5% to $325 million. This growth is being driven by the company's expansion into new markets and its focus on digital marketing. Profit margin. TRKA's profit margin is how much money they have left over after they pay for all the things they need to make their programs. You know how when you buy something, the store has to pay for it too? If they buy it for $10 and sell it for $20, they have a profit of $10. The profit margin is the percentage of the money they make that is profit. The higher the profit margin, the better because it means they are making more money from each sale. TRKA's profit margin is relatively low, at 2%. This is due to the company's high costs, which include salaries and benefits, marketing materials, technology, and marketing research. Return on equity. Return on equity is a fancy way of saying how much money they are making compared to how much money they have invested in their company. You know how when you put money in your piggy bank, it grows over time? If you put $10 in and it grows to $20, that's a good return on your investment. TRKA's return on equity is how much money they are making compared to how much money they have put into their company. Their return on equity is also relatively low, at 3%. This is due to the company's high debt load. Debt to equity ratio. The debt to equity ratio is how much money they owe compared to how much money they have. You know how sometimes you borrow money from your parents or someone else? If you owe $10 and you have $10 in your piggy bank, that's a debt to equity ratio of 1. In simple words, the debt to equity ratio is how much money they owe compared to how much money they have invested in their company. TRKA's debt to equity ratio is high, at 500%. This means that the company has more debt than it does equity. This high debt load could be a risk to the company's financial stability. Financial performance. In simple terms, TRKA's revenue is growing, but its profit margin and return on equity are low. The company has a high debt load, which could be a risk to its financial stability. Here are some things to keep in mind when evaluating TRKA's financial performance. The company's revenue growth is being driven by its expansion into new markets and its focus on digital marketing. TRKA's profit margin is relatively low due to the company's high costs. TRKA's return on equity is also relatively low due to the company's high debt load. TRKA's debt to equity ratio is high, which could be a risk to the company's financial stability. Overall, TRKA's financial performance is mixed. The company is growing, but its profit margins are low and its debt load is high. Investors should carefully consider these factors before investing in TRKA. TRKA's management team. TRKA's management team is the group of people who run the company and make all the important decisions. TRKA's key executives. TRKA's key executives include Sadiq Toama, Chief Executive Officer and President. Sadiq Toama has been with TRKA since 2018. He is a seasoned marketing executive with over 20 years of experience in the industry. He has held senior executive positions at several leading marketing agencies, including McCann World Group and Ogilvy and Mather. Erica Nadrick, Chief Financial Officer. Erica Nadrick has been with TRKA since 2019. She is a certified public accountant with over 15 years of experience in the financial services industry. She has held senior financial positions at several leading companies, including Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley. Matthew Craig, Senior Vice President Finance. Matthew Craig has been with TRKA since 2020. He is a financial analyst with over 10 years of experience in the investment banking industry. He has held senior financial positions at several leading investment banks, including Credit Suisse and UBS. TRKA's management team's experience. The management team's experience is how much they know about running a company and making computer programs. Just like you get better at math the more you practice, the management team has become experts in their fields because they have been working in them for a long time. This means they know what they're doing and can make good decisions for the company. TRKA's management team has a wealth of experience in the marketing industry. The team has a proven track record of success in developing and executing marketing campaigns that achieve results for clients. TRKA's management team's track record. TRKA's management team has a proven track record of success in the marketing industry. The team has helped clients achieve significant results, including increased brand awareness, increased sales, improved customer loyalty, enhanced corporate reputation. It's important to have a strong management team because they are the ones who make decisions that can make or break a company. If they are experienced and have a good track record, it means they are more likely to make good decisions for the company and help it succeed. TRKA's management team is a group of experienced and successful marketing executives with a proven track record of success. The team is committed to helping clients achieve their marketing goals. TRKA's future prospects. Future prospects are all the things that could happen to the company in the future. Growth opportunities. TRKA has a number of growth opportunities, including the growing demand for marketing services that leverage data and technology, the company's expansion into new markets, such as Asia and Latin America, the company's focus on digital marketing, which is a growing trend. Challenges. TRKA faces a number of challenges, including the company's high debt load, the company's competitive landscape, the company's reliance on a few key clients. Valuation. TRKA's valuation is how much the company is worth. This is important because it tells investors whether or not they should invest in the company. If the company is worth a lot, it might be a good investment because it could make investors a lot of money in the future. However, if the company is not worth a lot, it might not be a good investment because the investors might not make much money. Conclusion. TRKA is a worldwide marketing services firm that employs data and technology to provide all-encompassing branding, marketing, media, and analytics solutions. They provide a range of services such as brand building, innovation and technology, experiential marketing, and communications. TRKA has some of the world's most prominent brands among its clients, including Coca-Cola, Nike, and Unilever. TRKA's financial performance has had mixed results recently. While the company had a net loss of $10.4 million in 2022, an increase from the previous year's $9.2 million, its revenue grew by 5% in 2022 to $325 million. TRKA has a few opportunities for growth, including the increasing demand for marketing services that rely on data and technology, its expansion into new markets like Asia and Latin America, and its focus on digital marketing, a growing trend. However, the company faces several challenges, such as its high debt load, competitive landscape, and dependence on a few key clients. In the end, we hope that by listening to this podcast you will be fully immersed in what you are looking for. You can help us improve by sharing this podcast, which is published in ADAS Investment Magazine, and help optimize it by submitting your comments.